This is the Sunrise CNC plate shear. We have it installed on a 110-ton unit, so this is a 24-inch wide flat bar shear. I found some 2-inch by 3/8 flat bar, and we're going to insert that into the machine about a foot or so underneath the first roller. This is a hydraulic hold down that has a roller on the top. The bottom roller is driven with a servo motor and a gearbox with an encoder there, as well as an encoder in the top roller. Behind this hydraulic roller, we have the hydraulic plate shear hold down, which is going to clamp the material every shear, whereas the front roller will hold the material down and drive it into the machine with positive drive. Our alignment here is done with these rollers to keep it nice and square. And we have two proximity sensors, one that's right here that detects the actual material to make sure you have material. The second one is in the rear here that detects the edge of the material. So we're going to clamp down. And now we have engaged with these two green lights. We've engaged the material, and I'm going to hit the home button. And now the machine will start moving towards that second proximity sensor, which is the edge detection. Once it's calibrated there, the home button is green. I'll see the current position, any cut length that I want, and then the speed of the motor. And this is manual mode. So I can go ahead and switch it to auto mode. And once I switch it to auto mode, I now have a programming screen. So what I'll do is I'll input the length of my material, which is about 60 inches. And I can either choose a pre-programmed program up to 50 different programs, or I can start filling that in. So you always want to make the first cut a trim cut, and we'll leave that at 1 inch. And then I'll make my next subsequent cuts 10 inches, and we'll do 4 of those. And then I can zero out anything else that I want. So now it's going to make one 1-inch trim cut and 4 10-inch shears. I'm going to hit save. We'll be in normal mode, which is flashing. I'm in auto mode here, and we'll hit the start button. Now you'll see that the material will start feeding in. This is the 1-inch trim cut. The hydraulic hold down moving in the back there. Material is guided in. The hydraulic hold down comes down, engages, and we shear off our piece. So there's our flat bar moving in, and we'll swing around here. We'll take a look at the actual pieces that are coming in. And you'll see how the machine slides it out to 10 inches. Hydraulic hold down comes down and clamps, shear comes down and shears off the material. Our plate shear blades have adjustable blade gap, so for thinner or thicker material you can change that. So there are 4 pieces, and you can really tell the edge quality there right as they've dropped off. Nice and smooth, nice and flat edge. And then there's our trim piece right there in the middle.